Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM SCAR H. So this one has had a service and repair, so it came in non-working. It had a broken piston, which we've replaced with the FPS piston and the Prometheus piston head. We fit the FPS cylinder head. We fit the EagleSix upgrade spring in there to bring the FPS, because while we're in there, well, why not bring the FPS up a bit? And we've got that shooting on 259 on 3.2s, so that's only about 17 off the limit there. Obviously with SCARs, it's risky trying to get a bit more. We've also got the done the range testing on it. There was an advisory on there that the hop unit is actually missing the C clip. So we've put it in there and it's secure and fairly tight on the TM hop unit. So you should be all right there with the barrel not moving. However, obviously if it does cause problems long term, then we would recommend a hop unit, which unfortunately we're out of stock. Otherwise we'd happily sell one of those. So that would be our only advisory, just sort of covering ourselves in the future. Otherwise, yeah, we've got the build all put together and we're ready for testing. Hang on a second. Yeah, I mean, that sort of rate of fire on a warhead, you can see why the original TM piston gave up the ghost. There we go, all tested and hopefully good for you. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise have fun. Thank you.